When you're given the function of u of x and w of x, and you're asked to find what looks like w with a little circle u and a number, this means w of u of 2, and it's asking you to find the composition of these functions. So I like to rewrite this, and the order of this is important. So w, you're finding basically the value that was given last is what you're going to find first, u of 2, and you're going to substitute that into the function of w. Okay? So I rewrite that to help focus what I'm doing. And then I find u of 2. Okay, so I go over here to this u function, I replace x with 2, and I get 2 squared plus 3. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So u of 2 is 7, so I can replace this u of 2 here with 7, and now I'm looking for w of 7. Okay, so what's the function of this w when x is 7? So we go up here and we're going to replace x with 7, and we get the square root of 9, which is 3. Okay, so the composition of w and u of 2 is 3. So you say this w of u of 2 is equal to 3. So you're inputting a 2 into the u function, which gives you an output of 7. You put the 7 as an input into w, and that gives you an output of 3. So your final output is 3. Okay, so now if you had the same functions, u of x and w of x, but now it's asking you to find u of w of 2. So we're going to rewrite this as u of w of 2 in this way. So we can see we're going to find out what w of 2 is first and substitute that into the u function. So off to the side, we're going to do w of 2. Go over here and we replace 2 in our equation. We replace the x with 2. Whoops, that is supposed to be a 2 plus 2. And that gives you the square root of 4. We know the square root of 4 is 2. So w of 2 is 2, so we're going to replace this w of 2 with 2. And so now we're finding u of 2. So we go up here to our u function and we're going to replace the x with the 2. And that gives us 2 squared plus 3. That gives us 4 plus 3, which is 7. So the composition of u, whoops, that was supposed to be a u. I'll just rewrite that one. So the composition of u and w of 2 is 7. So that is what we get when we first input the 2 into our w function. We take the result of that, which in this case happened to be a 2 as well, and we plug that into our u function, and we get an output of 7. So 7 is our final answer.